Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of entering a patient's record in the IPD, Inpatient Department module of the NextGen eHospital system. Please follow these steps. Open a web browser and navigate to https://nextgen eHospital.gov.in/login. Now let's proceed with logging in. 1. Click on the login option. 2. Enter your user ID and password. 3. Fill in the CAPTCHA code. 4. Click on the login button. Once you're logged in, 1. Click on the IPD module button. This will take you to the Inpatient Department module, where you can manage patient records. After logging in to the IPD module, 1. A second screen will appear. 2. On this screen, locate the menu options on the left side. 3. Click on the Admit, Discharge, Transfer option. This option allows you to manage patient admissions, discharges, and transfers within the hospital. To admit a patient, 1. Click on the Admit Patient button. 2. Search for the patient's details using one of the following identifiers: UHID, ABA ID, patient's mobile number, patient's name. 3. In this example, I'm searching by UHID number, which can be found on the patient's OPD slip. 4. The patient's basic details will appear in the Patient Demographic Details section. 5. Complete the required fields: patient and guardian relation. Select the relationship between the patient and their guardian. Marital status. Select the patient's marital status. Please ensure all details are accurate and up-to-date. Pregnancy details section. If the patient is pregnant, 1. Select Yes in the pregnancy status field. 2. Fill in the required pregnancy-related details. If the patient is not pregnant, 1. Select No in the pregnancy status field. Please ensure accuracy when completing this section. Next, in the newborn baby details section, if the pregnant woman has delivered a baby, then fill in the required information details accordingly. Please ensure accuracy when completing this section. Patient admission details section. Please complete the following fields. 1. Patient admission type. Select the type of admission. 2. Admitting department. Select the department admitting the patient. 3. Admitting doctor. Select the name of the doctor of the department. 4. Ward. Select the ward where the patient will be admitted. 5. Bed number allowed. Enter the assigned bed number. 6. Diagnosis. Enter the patient's diagnosis or medical condition. 7. Reason for admission. Enter the reason for the patient's admission. Please ensure accuracy and completeness when filling out this. Bed allocation screen looks like this. Allocate a bed to the patient based on the availability of beds. Bed number. Select an available bed number from the list. Please ensure the bed is available and suitable for the patient's needs. IPD admission ticket generation. Once the bed allocation and other details are confirmed, 1. The patient's IPD admission ticket will be generated automatically. 2. Review the ticket details for accuracy. 3. Print the IPD admission ticket for record keeping and patient reference. The IPD admission ticket typically includes essential details such as patient's name and UHID, admission date and time, ward and bed number, diagnosis and reason for admission. Please verify the details before printing the ticket. Discharging a patient. To discharge a patient from the hospital, 1. Go to the Discharge Initiation button under the Admission, Discharge, Transfer option in the IPD module of NextGen eHospital. 2. Select the ward where the patient is admitted from the Select Ward option. 3. Click on Search Patient List. A list of patient details will appear. 4. Select the patient's name who is being discharged. 5. Click on the Select button under the Action section. 6. The patient's details will be transferred to the Discharge section on the right side. 7. Select the discharge type, in this case, cured. 8. Click Save to save the discharge details. 9. A confirmation message "Discharge initiated successfully" will appear on the screen. Please ensure all details are accurate before initiating the discharge process. Viewing discharge summary. To view the discharge summary for the patient, 1. Click on the Discharge Summary button under the Admission, Discharge, Transfer option in the IPD module of NextGen eHospital. 2. Select the ward where the patient was admitted from the Select Ward option. 3. Click on Search Patient List. A list of patient details will appear. 4. Select the patient's name whose discharge was initiated. 5. Click on the Action button as shown on the screen. Please review the discharge summary carefully to ensure all information is accurate and complete. To view and update the diagnosis details in the discharge summary, 1. In the discharge summary section, click on the View Diagnosis button. 2. Fill in the patient's diagnosis details in the appropriate text boxes, based on the patient's condition. 3. Enter relevant information. 4. Review the details carefully for accuracy and completeness. 5. Click the Save button to update the diagnosis details in the discharge summary. Please ensure all information is accurate and up to date to ensure continuity of care. Generating and issuing discharge summary slip. Once the diagnosis details are updated, the patient's discharge summary slip will be generated automatically. The discharge summary slip typically includes essential details such as patient's demographics, admission and discharge dates, diagnosis and treatment medications and follow-up instructions, discharge advice and precautions. Please ensure the patient understands the contents of the discharge summary slip and asks any questions they may have. Verifying discharged records. To verify the discharged records, 1. Click on the Verify Discharge button under the Admission, Discharge, Transfer option in the IPD module of NextGen eHospital. 2. In the Discharge Verification section, select the patient whose records need to be verified. 3. Click on the Verify button against the patient's name. This step ensures that the discharged records are accurate and complete and helps to confirm the patient's discharge details, update the patient's status in the system, ensure continuity of care. Please carefully review the records before verifying to ensure accuracy. Finalizing discharge verification. To complete the discharge verification process, 1. The discharge summary slip will be generated automatically, displaying the Verify button. 2. Click on the Verify button to confirm the discharge details. 3. Once verified, print the final discharge summary of the patient. 4. Hand over the printed discharge summary to the patient or their authorized representative. This final step ensures that the discharge process is complete and the patient has received their official discharge summary. Please ensure the patient understands the contents of the discharge summary and asks any questions they may have.